Hello folks, welcome back to another model kit review, and wow, look, we are in familiar territory here today. This is the Airfix 1-600 scale, RMS Mauritania. Now, I've already technically made a review of this kit, but I never actually finished my original model. My original version of this kit, which is still in my storage, has, well, it was one of my second models I ever made, or rather started. I never finished it. That video to this day nearly has 100,000 views. No idea why. It is funny, actually. I've had a few YouTube channels in my lifetime, and it's always the most randomest videos that tend to blow up. Like, I remember one time I made a Britannic video in a video game called Virtual Sailor, about, I want to say about over 10 years ago now. And that video, before my Mauritania review, was my most viewed video of any YouTube channel. So here we go. Here is the finished model kit. This model kit honestly was an absolute dream to build. It was awkward, yes. Did the parts fit? No. Was the molding bad? Obviously, it's a 1960s kit, but you know what, folks? There's so few ocean liner kits out there that I'm honestly just, I don't know if any of you are like this, but I'm just willing to look past the flaws just because they're so rare. Yeah, the mast. So this is an example of where the molding went bad. I could not fix this in any way, so I just had to leave it as it is. I was thinking of just cutting this piece off, but then it would just kind of look out of shape. I mean, maybe that could have worked, but I don't know, just the height would look really off. This kit took me about 6 weeks to build, and honestly, I enjoyed every second of it. Would I build it again? Absolutely. In fact, I would love to build it in its hospital configuration. This kit is very rare. I would never suggest pay any more than 30 euros for this kit. There's people out there that sell it for more than that. I wouldn't recommend it just because, you know, that's just kind of scalping at this point. But this is an absolutely beautiful kit. Let's have a look at the back here. That's one thing actually about Mauritania that I love. This sort of saloon type stern section, very unique with its four-prop configuration. I'm sure you could maybe get some cartograph, or not cartograph, maybe some photo etch rails, probably golden ones. I think would look beautiful. I'm gonna add those to my Lusitania kit, but this one I think it's fine. You can also put lots of flags on it. I didn't do that with mine, obviously. Yeah, it's beautiful. It really is. Could it be more detailed? I would say no. I think the detail, to be honest with you, is just fine the way it is. I mean, obviously I painted these small windows, which was enjoyable. There's obviously a few mistakes here and there, like the way that window isn't painted properly, but, you know, this thing is going to be sitting on a shelf, so it looks fine from a distance. It's only if you're looking up really close it might be problematic, but nope. Honestly, I think it's a beautiful kit. If I were to build this kit again, the one thing I probably would change is the decking. I think maybe, now it's not really showing on camera, but the decking is very light in real life. So that would probably be the only thing that I would change, but other than that, I think it turned out pretty well. So, there you go, folks. That is the Mauritania kit in 1-600 scales, and you're going to say 1-72nd scale. That would be wrong. So, yeah. Thank you, folks, very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.